Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, family? It's the homie Bigg Vic. We are back in the building with another video. I'm slightly over the road right now. I did grab a load, like today's Friday. I did grab a load off the load board off of, I think I got this one off a DAT load board. I had a run, I had to go to Wilson. Well, Newberry, South Carolina had one pickup, 2 drops. So I did a drop in Wilson, North Carolina earlier today. And my last drop is like 2 hours away from there, which is in Chester. Oh, what part of Virginia? I'm going to Virginia. I'm in Virginia pretty much already. I'm going to North Chesterfield, VA. Virginia got a drop on Monday. So I thought I was going to be able to knock out both of those drops and to just both of those drops today. Apparently that did not happen. This receiver is not open on the weekends. They will be back open first thing Monday morning at 7 a.m. Till 2, I believe. So I'm going to hit them off like 7 a.m. on Monday. Good thing about this ride is my sister lives like 5 minutes away from this particular facility. If 5 minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes away from that this receiver. So guess what? I'm actually about to pull up at her crib in like 15 minutes. I'm at the Pilot right now. Got me something to drink. I gassed back up. Taking my 30-minute break. Well, I have 15 more minutes left of my 30-minute break. Then I'm going to shoot down the street 17 minutes. Relax for the weekend, pretty much. Saturday, I'm doing a surprise pull-up tomorrow. Another YouTuber you guys may be familiar with. I'm gonna pull up on him tomorrow out here in VA. So you guys will get to see who that is tomorrow. So I'm supposed to hook up with him tomorrow morning, and we're gonna chop it up. We got a slight OTR. I don't know what this could turn into on Monday. I don't know. I'm gonna see what's on the load board. Maybe Sunday night, Monday when loads start popping up after my drop off. I don't know if I'm gonna keep going north or start bringing something back down, back home, south. So we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully there's some beautiful things on the load board on Monday, and we can, keep running this bag up now that we got the truck back. My lights on the top of the box are still not fixed, but my marker lights are working across the front of my truck, of course, because I definitely wouldn't have not came out here if that was the case. Hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna do some more investigating on the lights and take some of you guys' suggestions and see what I can find and come up with. See if I can get these lights back on, and I'll be ready for ready to not stay over the road, but ready if I had to roll at night, do my thing. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I don't know if tonight, maybe tomorrow. I'll check back in. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right. Good morning, YouTube family. I am about to head out and hook up with another famous YouTuber. You guys might be familiar with. I don't know. You might be familiar with this guy, but we're gonna see. It's another box truck YouTuber. Does several other things. Does a few things. So we're gonna roll up on him. Like I'm about to head over to him like right now. He's like 30 minutes away. So hope you guys enjoy the content. This is like a little intermission in between me dropping off this load on Monday and it's Saturday morning. And it's a beautiful Saturday right now. So I'll see y'all in a second. Let's get it. to connect with the great J Dub. Well, yo, you really like 7 feet though, for real. How you doing? This guy really for real.
6'7".
Yeah, that's what's up. Oh man, so we can really try to get this, see what we can figure out on this thing, man.
YouTube thing got Bigg Vic here.
Yeah. We got Big Dub here. I'm Lil Vic today. So I'm out here in VA with Dub, J Dub. Make sure y'all go check out J Dub channel too. I'm gonna drop a link to his channel in the description. But we can really try to figure out if we can get these lights back popping in this box, the top of this box, so I can have some lights, y'all. But y'all know International was trying to clip me for $300 just to look at it, and then try to tell me what could possibly be the problem. Like, how you charge somebody just $300 just to look at it? That's crazy. Crazy. Trying to see if we can figure this thing out, y'all. Trying to figure it out.
Did any lights go out?
All right, y'all. We still trying to track down the culprit to see where it's not getting power at. Still trying to figure it out. So hopefully we get it, and I can get some lights back at the top of this truck, and we can continue getting to the money. That's right. But you gotta have everything functioning all the way around the truck. That keeps you from getting pulled over by DOT, especially at night. 'Cause I don't know if DOT rolls 24 hours in Virginia, but I know around 6 o'clock in Columbia, South Carolina, they shut down. So, yeah, we're gonna see what's good though. Y'all see Dub Pro set up? I thought I had the gear. Dub got it over here. He got the Canon EOS R5. Nice setup, Dub. I see you.
But that's number one, and it goes around this way. I like how these things are.
So me and Dub touched the connection that was under the truck, and we happened to find this spot right here. And guess what? We found a fuse that was blown. He found a fuse that was blown right here. This is where the connection was at, y'all.
Well, if that's got 12 volts right there, then that's it. That's gotta be it.
I'm hoping this is the culprit. We're about to find out. It's sure enough blown. This is a magical moment right here. Oh man. This is the fuse. Dub found the fuse in there. And I came and touched this whole piece.
That whole piece.
And just said, yeah, there's some wiring right here. And I just kept on going. That was the problem. I don't know if y'all can see him, because the sun is on this side. But the lights are back working, man. Dub, I touched the wire, but Dub actually opened up the wire. Let me come on this side. And guess what? My lights are back working, y'all. It was a fuse. So we gotta tuck this back in right here. That wire up there. I'm gonna tuck that back under. But the lights are back working, y'all. I'm back in the game now.
One little fuse changes everything.
It sure did. It shut the whole top down. So y'all know now to check the fuses. Check the fuses. We back in the building. Shout out to Dub, y'all. Shout out to Dub. Y'all make sure y'all go follow Dub on YouTube. Make sure y'all tap into his channel, tap into his content, because Dub always drops content just showing you guys how to fix things on these trucks. I'm out here at King's Dominion with little sis, Big Money. We in the building right now. Y'all see what it is? Yeah. VA, what up? CT still in the building though. He's still in the building right now. Yeah. Out here in VA right now in King's Dominion. A little intermission until we drop this load off tomorrow. Whoa.
I'm not blowing it right now. don't like this at all. I don't like
There you go. Crafty clown. We looking for Crafty. We're looking for Crafty clown. Look, look. Look. That's hilarious. Look at his face. Look. Good morning, family. We just made it to this drop-off. I was actually only about 15 minutes, 14 miles away. So I'm about to drop this off, jump on this load board, see if we can find up out of Virginia. Where are we? North Chester, Virginia. So we're not too far out here. So we're gonna get this truck unloaded, and yo, we out of here. We'll probably get some shots of the truck getting unloaded. So yeah, y'all know what it is, man. We out here getting this, man. Let's go. family. So we just got loaded up in Hagerstown, Maryland, and we're about to head back to the Carolinas. I was trying to see if I could snatch up another load before I get out of here, like to add on to this thing, but it's real light right now. The pickings are very slim, but I'm gonna do one more last check before I get out of here, since it is, what time is it? It's 3:33. I might be able to pull it off. We're gonna see. See if I got a rabbit foot in my back pocket. All right, be back. Good morning, family. We just made it out here to Greenwood. About to get checked in and get this thing unloaded. Then I grabbed out of Amazon load. I gotta run and get out in Appleton, Georgia. Bring that into Charlotte. So I'll see y'all guys in a minute. Let's get it. Yeah, you good?
Got a little scary.
What's good, family? We out here in Appleton, Georgia on the Amazon load, waiting for them to assign me my dock door so we can snatch up this bag real quick. I'm headed to CLT 9, which is in Charlotte, North Carolina. More than likely I'll be unloading this load, but they should look like they're gonna be loading me up here. So yeah, we just dropped off in Greenwood. Y'all saw that, South Carolina. This was like 60 something miles out to pick up. Caught this off the load board this morning, so it was like a, you know, one of those last minute, you know, one of those loads that pop up, so I had to grab that. Thinking, I really thought today was Monday, and the load said Tuesday on it, so I booked it, but thankfully I had 3 hours and some change to get to the load. My drop off was like 2 hours away, hour and 45 minutes away. That still gave me, like, I got here like 5 minutes late, but yeah, we good to go. But yeah, that's what we doing right now, man. Just back in the truck, feels good. About to run these numbers back up. So we got the video still coming, y'all. Y'all know what it is, man. Hope y'all enjoying this, man. If you're enjoying the content, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified when your man's drop the goodness, all right? Let's get it. So I'm inside waiting for an escort to bring me to the truck. So I believe I got to load the truck here. So I'm gonna have to load it and unload it when I get up to CLT 9. So that's what's going on at this new facility out here in Appleton, Georgia. So yeah, now I know. It's my first time at this facility right here. We about to get it popping though. You know what I mean? Got me in the cage like an animal right now.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's size.